Hello friends. As a teacher, you must have organized and participated in morning assemblies in your school. Today we are going to explore. Morning assembly is an important part of a school's routine. It is a great way to build feeling of connection and unity among the students. During this time, important information and instructions are also shared with children. Today we are going to explore and learn about how we can use the forum of morning assembly to build environmental awareness amongst our children. Let's meet my friend and hear what he has to say about this.
Hello, my name is Arvind. I'm a teacher in primary school in Rohtak, Haryana. Today we are having a special assembly. Apart from the usual prayer and announcements, children of class 1 are on stage to share an important message. Let me give you a glimpse of what they are doing.
Hello friends, today is the World Environment Day. Environment includes water, air, soil, plants and animals.
Environment provides us with everything we need and want. We all have to work together, look after and protect the environment.
We should use cloth bags instead of plastic bags. We should try to reuse the old glass bottles and containers.
Aren't you impressed with the message being shared by these little children and the confidence with which they are saying it? These children are performing during the special assembly that we organized for the World Environment Day. Special assemblies are an important part of our school calendar. We organize special assemblies to celebrate all important festivals and days. Here's a glimpse into another special assembly organized in my school.
सुनो सुनो आओ देखो इंसान ने किया क्या कमाल देखो धरती का है बुरा हाल देखो क्या होगा भविष्य का सवाल ये देखो. Cut down the trees, clear the forest. This land is lying waste. Let's use it to develop a colony with tall buildings and English gardens. Who needs wild trees and grass? We will build a colony of steel and glass.
As for nature, we will have lawns with imported grass and flowering shrubs with flowers that last.
We will get exotic plants from far away and nurture them with water and care. But trees from other places will need more water, care and toil. Pesticides, fertilizers and other chemicals that pollute the soil.
Water for drinking is already scarce. I wonder for lawns how much we can spare.
Look, we can afford and buy at a price. Why should we care about the poor people's cries? Local plants and grass are adapted to the soil and climate. जो कुछ नहीं मांगते एक्स्ट्रा, क्या हम उन्हें हटा के अपनी मनमर्जी करें? क्या होगा इस प्रदेश का हाल? ये है बड़ा सवाल.
These are children of class 5. On Earth Day last year, they created and presented a street play on the importance of conserving local species of plants. This play had a huge impact on all the children. So this year on the Van Mahotsav Day, children planted saplings of local trees such as neem. They also explained to their parents and families the importance of growing local varieties of trees and plants.
Our earth is able to support life through a delicate balance of natural resources. However, in the recent decades, humans have been consuming resources and polluting the environment at a reckless pace. Holistic education should make children aware of the consequences of unchecked environmental degradation. One way in which we can do so is by organizing special assemblies to celebrate special days related to environment. Just like we have morning assembly to celebrate national and religious festivals, we can organize special assembly to celebrate all important days related to environment and its conservation. And what are these special days, you may ask? Earth Day, that is celebrated on 22nd April, is one such example. This day is dedicated to celebrating the beauty and diversity of our planet. Let me share some of the important days dedicated to Earth and its environment and how they can celebrate it in schools. March 22 is the World Water Day. It is celebrated to draw people's attention to water-related issues and encourage them to take action for conserving it. Children on this day can take a pledge to conserve water. They can present poems and folk songs on importance of water or rivers. As we know, April 22 is Earth Day. Students can be involving in making cloth bags to reduce the use of plastic bags. They can create simple household products like pencil stands, lampshades, napkin holders, etc. using waste items. These can be then put up as an exhibition to motivate other children to do the same. Here are children presenting a magic show where they show how waste material is to something useful and beautiful.
Look, I took an empty bottle. Now I'm going to do magic. See, with my special magic, I transformed a waste bottle into a beautiful vase.
June 5 is celebrated as World Environment Day. Each class can take up an environment conservation related project 1 month before this date. For example, they can create kitchen garden or be involved in garbage segregation. And in the special assembly on this day, each class can present a report of how their project. Look at these grade 8 children. Almost a month before the Environment Day, they planted a kitchen garden in the school backyard. On June 5th, when we had a special assembly for the Environment Day, they presented a report of the work they did and the vegetables they had sowed. Let's listen to part of their presentation.
Friends, we have sown tomatoes, ladyfinger and coriander. And I'm proud to share today we have got for you some fresh coriander from our kitchen garden. This is going to be added to the midday meal that will be served to all students in the school today.
October 1 to 7 is the World Wildlife Week. Students can be involved in creating posters related to protection of wildlife. They can also select and act out stories related to animals, including the Panchtantra tales. I am now going to share steps that you can follow to organize a special assembly related to environment. Decide on a central theme or focus of the assembly along with the day and time. Identify the objectives of conducting the assembly. Share the theme and the objectives of the assembly with the staff members and develop a plan listing down the sequence of performances, events to be included. Choose these students, class groups who will participate in the various performances. Have a master of ceremonies to anchor the special assembly. Ensure that students performing during the special assembly get time to practice during the school day. You could invite a special guest for the assembly. This could be an officer or a member from the local community. Get the venue ready. Identify and get ready the stage backdrops, props, plan for sound or light equipment if required. Allocate space for participants and audience. Support and encourage the children during the performance. Appreciate their effort after it. Plan an in-class follow-up activity to ensure that the message of the special assembly is reiterated through the day, week. Celebrating these days in school can spread awareness on multiple issues that are harming the environment and how we can prevent it. And participating in these activities will also enhance children's communication skill and confidence. They will learn to identify and understand real-life problems and work towards finding solutions. That will make our education truly complete.